can't use that centered crap because it's centered with copper and it won't handle to the heat.
Go ahead.
But oh well.
You only doing the one?
What?
You only doing the one?
In that metal, yeah. I realized I forgot to bring out that tray that I always do that with. Still liquid. Tungsten rod. Pure tungsten. You can't use that centered crap because it's centered with copper and it won't handle to the heat. That's silver that I just put in there.
That's pretty warm. Melts.
Let me see if I can put some of this spilled metal back in there.
Yeah, that's pretty warm.
That melts at about 1900.
You said that's your sterling?
The one I just put in there, yeah, what I just poured is bismuth bronze. It's about 90% copper, 5% tin, 5% bismuth. The bismuth makes it easier to cut and machine. Same reason why they used to put lead in brass and bronze, but I'm not a big fan of lead. Probably still liquid in the interior there. I'll have to get him in. I gotta go grab the tray. Is that going now?
Yeah.
If it'll actually focus the bit, that's liquid silver. It's just like mercury at that mirror finish on the top. Of course, it doesn't help that it's glowing for me at about 2,000 degrees high.
Okay, well that's...
Normally when I open these up, it'd be lit immediately after pretty much, so it's the top would still be glowing. Now, no guarantee on this, but looks like it all came out. That bottom piece is a center to it's a bimetallic coin that I make. I'm actually going to finish another one of those today. Careful with this because this metal isn't exactly the strongest, but it tends to come out pretty easily. Not a whole lot of metal there. It doesn't even look like I have to scrape it, to be honest. still soft on the top. If I can even get it out of there.
Take it from the other end.
I don't want to scratch that up, I'd bend it.
Well, I wouldn't set it on there if it's still hot.
Well, my tongs were hot. That's what it was.
You're gonna get this one out.
That should be good now.
Don't burn yourself.
I've done this a gabillion times.
So, in other words, you're probably gonna burn yourself.
I'm wearing, these gloves are rated to, it splash 1400 degree metal on them and it'd be fine. Another one of that same coin that you saw earlier. The shrunken down version of one of my old coins. Trying to get this. Some of the details might be hard to see because it's really small
You're
details.
gonna dunk it in.
That's more what I was talking about. I'll just leave it there for a minute. The silver will cool off pretty quick because this one's the most conductive metal. Now it's empty now, obviously.
I know, but you can still see the zinc.
Yeah, well, a little bit of it started burning. See that fuzz inside there? That's zinc oxide.
There's
Zinc
some on the
oils.
outside too.
Yep. Zinc oils in it.
Nothing upsets a pickle lover more than a dull, soggy pickle. Pickle lovers always insist on the proud pickle. Heinz. No compromise, no shortcuts, no soggy pickle. Heinz stops at nothing to give you a pickle that tastes the way no other pickle does. Crisp, full-bodied, savory. That's what makes Heinz the proud pickle. If you were the best tasting pickle, wouldn't you be proud?